Hello and welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to understand articles. Articles are words like a, an and the. They come before a noun. Articles seem to be very easy but they are somewhat confusing. So today you will learn that and understand and clear your confusions. Articles can be classified into two types. One is definite article, the. It is used for specific things. Another is indefinite article, a and an. Remember, you have to pronounce a, not a. A boy, a girl, an elephant. They are usually used for general things and for a singular and countable noun. An apple, that means it is single apple we are talking about and it can be counted. So it has to be, a noun has to be singular and countable, and it has to be generally any apple. An elephant means any elephant in general. A girl means any girl in general. A boy means any boy in general. But when we say the apple you bought was tasty, here we know that we are talking about that particular apple which he bought. When we say the boy whom I saw lives near my house, that means I am talking about that particular boy, not any boy. So we use the for specific noun. Hence the is a definite article and a and an are indefinite article because we don't know whom we are talking about or which noun we are talking about. So let's discuss the uses of the. The is used for geographical area. The equator, the North Pole, the South Pole, the Tropic of Capricorn, the Tropic of Cancer. The is also used for unique and the things which are one of its kind. The sun, the earth. Earth is very unique. The Mars, the wind. And for water bodies also. Water bodies like rivers, lakes, oceans or ponds or any water body. For example, the Nile. Nile is a river. The Indian Ocean, the Ganges, the Vular Lake, etc. And for superlatives. Now what is superlative? See, adjective has 3 degrees. One is positive degree, one is comparative, one is superlative. In positive degree, when we take a word good, we can say he is a good boy. When we say he is a good boy, we are not comparing him, we are just telling his quality. But when we compare a particular boy with another boy, we'll say he is better than that boy. That means it is comparative degree. But when the boy has quality beyond comparison, we'll say he is the best boy in the class. That means he can't be compared. He is the best boy. So this is a superlative degree. For all the superlatives, we use the, like the best, the worst, the highest, the tallest, the shortest, the fattest, etc. Then another important point where we use the is when we know that what particular or specific person or thing we are talking about. The man whom I saw was a criminal. That means we are not referring to any man. We are talking about that particular man who was a criminal. When we have already mentioned the thing we are talking about, that means when we use a noun for the second time, when we use a noun for the first time, we refer that noun as any noun. Like for example, there is a chair, that means any chair. When we use this chair for the second time in the sentence, we use the, that means it has become the specific chair we are talking about. The chair is green in color. So always remember, for the second time when we use the same noun, we use the, because it becomes specific or particular noun. Then the next one, for the places indicating multiple areas containing words like states, kingdoms, union, united, republic, etc. The USA, that means the United States of America, the United Kingdom, the Irish Republic, the USSR. Then for the time specifying particular period of day, like in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, that means particular period of the day. Location, for telling this, when we tell somebody about the location, then we refer to a particular shop or particular school, or we give a particular landmark. So we'll use the beside the shop, that means we know that which shop we are talking about. The listener also knows that which shop you are talking about. Adjacent to the school, that means that particular school, we know that we are talking about that particular school. Beside the words like first, before the words like first, the next, the last, always we have to use the before first. He is the first to withdraw from finals. The next, the last. He is the last boy in the class. Now we come to indefinite articles. As I said, indefinite means articles which refers to the noun in general, a and an. Now we are talking about a. A refers to the words which begin with consonant sound. It is used before singular countable noun, like a bird, a house, a man, a girl, etc. Here all the words begin with a consonant. See this example. But sometimes, not always the words which begins with the consonants we use a. We have to be careful about the consonant sound. See this example. When we say university, university does not begin with a consonant, but it has the sound of consonant. We don't say an university, we'll say a university, because although it begins with a vowel U, but it has Y sound, as though spelt as university. The sound seems to be of Y, but it is written as U. So a university. Here the sound that matters. An is also used before a singular countable noun. The word begin with a vowel or a vowel sound. An orange, an egg, an elephant, etc. See this example. Here the word begins with a consonant H, but H is silent and we hear the sound of O. O is a vowel. So we'll use an hour, an honest man. Again, it is a sound that matters. Lastly, we'll understand zero articles. There are many words, there are many nouns where we don't place any article, we don't use any article, like for countries, for the names of countries like India, Japan, Canada, China, etc. For uncountable nouns also, we don't use article, we don't use any of the article, like coffee, tea, water, etc. And sports like football, cricket, volleyball, badminton, tennis, etc. So I hope you have understood and you will remember how articles can be used. So let us end our video here, and we'll meet the next time with another important topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.